Prompt payment legislation. Well, sounds like a bunch of legal jargon, but wait, is it? Does it affect you when you're managing your contract administration? Hi, my name's David Lopez, and I'm an architect, and today's RForm Playbook is the first of a four-part series where we're going to look at prompt payment, and in particular to define what a proper invoice is. But first, what is prompt payment legislation all about? Well, in a nutshell, it's the time limits that the owner has to pay a contractor and the contractor to pay his subs. And of course, the purpose of all this is to prevent any delays in the payment of invoices and to keep the cash flowing on a construction project. So depending where you live in the country, it's typically 28 days for the contractor to be paid by the owner. And the countdown starts from the date the owner receives a proper invoice. And then it cascades down from there, with the contractor, after having his invoice paid, has 7 days to pay his subs, and so on. So you can start to see why a proper invoice is so important. And as a consultant or contract administrator, having to certify a payment, your first step is going to be to verify that that invoice is acceptable, or in other words, it is a proper invoice. So stay tuned as we dive into each of the requirements for a proper invoice and why it matters to you and your project. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about prompt payment legislation, please visit our website, rform.ca, and download our prompt payment bulletin.